haven't looked to see if anybody's doing this. This is the name, Southwire Auto Selecting Cat 5 Multimeter. And it shows all the stuff in the back. I'm sorry you can't see it because my light's on my camera. I still can't figure out how to get that shut off. So that's all the stuff it covers. Comes with probes. That's what it looks like. It's the first one I've had. It's automatic. Let me push back off a little bit on the, so you can push this and get your kilo ohms. Gosh, if you can see it there, kilo ohms, yeah. And it can go again in just your ohms, then your volts. That's pretty much what it does. It also has an option here. You can push this button right here. You got a light. Yeah. Flashlight in it. That's why I bought it. I got lots of flashlights, but comes with them long leads, as long as they are, from here to there. And this kind of show you what it kind of looks like up and personal. It says that stuff on the side. It says, looks like you can't drink any pop around it. That's the other side of it. And the back is where you take a screw up, put two double AAA batteries come with it. And this is where you put your little electrode probes in the back here. I can never figure out what this little blue tab's for. But that's what it says on the top of it right there. Alright. And shoot, I just had, I'm trying to figure out what's up with this treadmill, but I can show you. I can get my connectors to reconnect. Shows up on the one side. Oh my gosh. Nothing like trying to get your hands around everything and have this everybody see. And now the screen went out. There he goes. Oh, I guess maybe when the flashlight's on, you can see the screen now. Oh my goodness. That's what all lights up on the screen there. The light at the top, at the side shows the voltage. Then if it disconnected, it goes away and then it comes back. Alright, so you can shut that little flashlight that's in there off. This little button right here. Now it's off. You totally shut it down, you just shut it down like a computer. It goes off. Alright, this is Southwire. Here is the number on the front of it. Alright guys. It says it's waterproof. It's got a soft case on it. The brown itself is nice and soft to hold on to.